Slang in professional settings. Know when to use it. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about: using slang and colloquialisms in professional settings. How can you use them without crossing boundaries? Let's find out. Slang refers to informal language used by particular groups, while colloquialisms are informal expressions used in everyday conversation. While they can add flavor to our language, in a professional setting, it's essential to know when and how to use them appropriately. Despite being informal, slang and colloquialisms can 1. Build rapport with colleagues, especially if it's a commonly understood term. 2. Show that you're up to date with cultural and societal trends. 3. Make certain concepts or ideas more relatable. Here's a simple guide. 1. Know your audience. If you're around colleagues of similar age or background, a slang term might be better understood. 2. Don't overdo it. Use slang sparingly. It should complement your language, not dominate it. 3. Avoid controversial terms. Steer clear of slang that might be offensive or misunderstood. 4. Ask for feedback. Unsure about a term? Ask a trusted colleague. Now, let's try creating and evaluating some content. Scenario 1. You're writing an email to a new client. Hey there. I just wanted to circle back and confirm our meeting for tomorrow. Circle back is a colloquialism. In this context, it's professionally acceptable. Scenario 2. Speaking to a team member about a project. This new project is going to be lit. Lit is a slang term that means excellent. Depending on the formality of your workplace, this might be acceptable or too casual. Scenario 3. In a meeting presentation. This quarter's results were on fleek. On fleek is slang that means perfect. It might sound out of place in a formal presentation. Always remember, context is key. Slang and colloquialisms can be powerful tools in communication, but it's crucial to use them wisely in professional settings. Know your audience, use slang judiciously, and always aim for clarity. We hope this video helps you strike the right balance. Happy communicating!